Hey friends, what's up? This is Samvats and I hope you guys are doing absolutely great in your life. In this video, we are going to talk about GitHub. We are going to discuss that what is GitHub, why using GitHub is important for you and how GitHub will help you getting a job. So for all that and more, please watch this video till the very end. Please subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button to get all the videos notification. So what is GitHub? In a layman way, GitHub is an Instagram for developers and programmers. GitHub is a website and class-based service which helps developers and programmers to store and manage their code, track their code, and make necessities changes according to their need. To understand this better, we need to know about few things. The first one is version control. Version control helps developers to manage and track changes to their project's code. Let us take an example to better understand this. Let's say you have built a game and now you want to change a specific part of that game. Now you will not want to write the whole code again, right? Because that will be a lot of work to do and also it will create possibilities for errors. Now here version control will help you. With the help of version control, you will work safely through branching and merging. Now what is branching and merging? Branching means making a duplicate copy of a certain part of your source code. Let's just say in our example that you want to make a specific changes in your sound button. So you will only be making a duplicate of that specific part. This is branching. Now what is merging? Now when developers get his or her code working properly, then he or she merges it in the original source code. This is what merging is. Now the second thing which you need to know is Git. Now what is Git? Git is a distributed version control system. It means that the entire code base or history will be available on developer's computer. This helps in easy branching and merging. Now the next question is why using GitHub is important for you. As of September 2020, GitHub has 56 million users. Now this shows the range of developers and programmers using GitHub for their project. Now when you are working in a team and each and every person of that team has to work on certain different segments, then at that time GitHub will be very beneficial for you. Now let's just take an example. Let's take our previous example for this one also. Let's say you have a team of about 4 to 5 people in which you are working on a sound button, someone else is working on a menu button, and someone else is working on character, and someone else is working on his skills, character skills. Then and each and every code is connected to each other, that if I want to make certain changes in sound button, I need to have menu buttons code as well. So in that case what will happen is one person has to transfer the whole thing to the other person, and then I will have to transfer the whole thing to other one, and then he will have to send the whole thing to other one. So this will create a whole mess. At this point of time, GitHub will help us. And how is that? Let's just say that he worked on a menu segment, then he will merge his code to the original code, and then I will duplicate his code from GitHub, and now I will work on sound button, and then I will code my code to the original code, and then someone else will duplicate and then he will work. In this way, GitHub is very useful when you are working in a team. And now the last question is how GitHub will help you finding a job. Majority of you might be in a college right now. So creating a GitHub account is very important for you. So whenever you are working on certain project or whenever you are coding something, then you need to upload that code on GitHub, so that whenever you are showing someone your portfolio or your GitHub account, then he will have the understanding how this person evolved from zero to this point. Okay, so and also you can work in open source project which will help you getting a remote work. For many people gets remote work just by contributing in open source projects. So in this way GitHub will help you finding a job. In this way GitHub will help you evolving and developing as a programmer. So this was all about GitHub, and if you're watching this video till now, then please share this video with your friends and family. Please like this video. I will also be making another video on this topic. So please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get all the videos notification. This is it for this one. I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a good day.